back with yet another video, and today, after a lot of Black Friday shopping, I've got some really big news. My mom got a long overdue laptop upgrade, and today we're going to be unboxing it. And that's why I got this handy dandy knife. Alright, so let's get this bad boy up. And as you can tell by the box, this is the HP Envy X360. It's the one with the Ryzen 5 2500U with Vega 8 graphics. That's a pretty good spec, so let's unbox it. Now we got three little tabs on the front that you gotta cut. I've got an extremely dull knife here, so I'm gonna have to set it down. Alright, that's a lot better. There we go. Smooth cuts. Now a moment of truth. Alright. As far as packaging goes, this is not the most remarkable of packaging. The attention to detail, of course, is not that great considering it's like an $800 laptop. And there's some black styrofoam-ish material on the top. I like the color scheme. Black is nice. And first of all, we have setup instructions, which we will not be looking at. And this is the laptop itself. It's the HP Envy X360. That's the Ryzen 5 2500U with Vega 8 graphics. Let's put it aside for now and see what else is here. Alright, so as you can tell, we bought it from Costco. So you got the Costco paperwork. Warranty card, other paperwork, and this DMP box. Now if we open this side, as you can tell, there's some power bricks. Yeah, it's just a power brick, that's all. Oh, there's an extra little packaging here. Oh, it's the pen. There's a pen that you can use because it's a touchscreen display that supports pens. This is really cool because you can and it comes with an included battery. So the thing I like about pens, I already have a pen on my school laptop, so I have a little bit of experience with them, is that when you're in a creative workflow, you can use the pen to do stuff in Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom, basically anything you do. If you don't have a mouse on you, you can use it with the pen, and sometimes it's better, sometimes it's worse, but it's better than just using your trackpad most of the time. So we're just gonna insert the battery and screw it back in. I'm actually really curious about how they implemented the pen in terms of where you put the pen, because that's a problem with the Microsoft Surface and a lot of other devices. It's just kind of stuck there in a very awkward position. So let's put the pen on the side. And power bricks. I'm not sure if the laptop comes charged to 4 times, so we'll have to connect the power brick. Ooh, shiny plastic. Alright, that one fell off pretty easily. Alright. Come on. Alright, there we go. I really like this power brick. It has like a dual tone. Glossy black and matte black. That's really nice. I like that. And we're going to be plugging this power brick into the wall just in case the laptop doesn't come pre-charged, which I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't for this price point. It's like $800 MSRP, and we bought it for like $500 because it's Black Friday. Alright, so I'm going to plug this into the wall right now. One thing I have to mention, this is a nice charging cable and a nice power brick. Maybe it's because I only have like a really cheap Windows laptop for my school laptops, but this is a nice charging cable. I appreciate that. And let's put the box away. Nice artwork on the front, by the way. Put the box to the side, and we're gonna be looking at the laptop itself. Okay. Now it is a fairly hefty laptop. It's made of metal, so yeah, it's a little heavy, but it's a 15-inch Ultrabook. Well, it's a 15-inch laptop, so it's not that big of a deal. You're getting a lot of extra screen real estate. Now, it's not completely black and gray like the packaging shows. It is a bit more of a, it has a magenta hue to it. That's how I would describe it. And it has the new shiny HP logo. I like this new logo a lot. It's pretty nice and clean. On the bottom we see some vents and intake fans, and we have these rubber legs just to make sure the vents and intake fans are not covered up. That's really nice. We're going to be opening up the laptop. One-handed hinge. Alright, so it is possible to do the, nope, one-handed hinge. It's one of those little details that Apple gets right, but a lot of other companies don't. Using one finger to lift open the hinge without the bottom like moving up and down, that's a really nice feature, but this guy doesn't have it. Again, not surprised for at the price. We have this nice little paper sheet type of thing over here. Apple does this a lot too. And we have a bunch of stickers. Now this sticker I'm not a big fan of. The Ryzen 5 and the Radeon Vega graphics stickers I am a big fan of because they tell me what it is. But this sticker, why did you even put this on here, HP? So let's see if this has power. The power button is on the side actually, which is quite interesting. And it has a little bit of texture to it, so even though I'm not looking at it directly, I can figure out which one's the power button. Let's see if it boots. Alright, it boots, and as you can see there's a keyboard backlighting, which is kind of dope. I love backlights, and it has, let's see how fast it boots in. Alright, I see the HP logo now. One thing you'll notice is that the screen is incredibly sharp. It's very crisp. I don't know about the resolution, but it's very crisp. It has nice colors. I believe it's an IPS LCD panel, so that's really great. And the keyboard, it's not the worst keyboard I've ever seen, but it's not fantastic either. It's just an in-between level keyboard, but it has that backlighting, which is really nice. And the trackpad.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Hi Cortana.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Alright,
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Where are you, microphone?
If you need an
Alright, I turned Cortana off because I don't want her to like keep talking in the middle of this video. Alright, let's get this going. We are in the United States. That's good. And again, the screen is so, the bezels are incredibly thin. I really like that about this laptop. And alright, English. And this is my mom, so I'm also going to add Korean. Let's see. Alright, so yeah, you can do the two-finger thing with the trackpad. And the trackpad's very big for a Windows laptop of this price. And let's see if I can find Korean. This might take a while. And there you have it. This is the HP Envy X360. It's a Windows laptop that is pretty well spec'd out for the price. It's around $800, and we bought it Black Friday for around $500, so we got a pretty nice deal on it. And for $500, I've got to say my first impressions are this is a great deal, and I would recommend it if anyone else can get it for around 500 bucks. Really nice screen, pretty nice backlit keyboard, pretty big trackpad, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.